Welcome. Today in front of me Nokia T20 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first you should select the screen where you want to add the widget. I'll go with this one, and now just hold for a while your screen, and here you'll see the widgets icon. Just tap there, and as can you see here we got all our available widgets that we can add on our screen. And for example we can go with the clock. Just hold for a while the widget and drag it here to the position where I want to just add the widget. For example, we can go here. You can change the size of the widget. Just hold for a while, and here you can make it bigger or smaller. As can you see, that's really simple. Also we can here add the one more widget, for example the calendar schedule. So just hold for a while and drag it here. By the same way you can change the size. If you want, you can move this widget here on the screen. Also you can create the new screen with the widget, or just we can go back here. And if you want to just remove the widget, just hold for a while and drag it here to the subsection, to the remove icon. And that's it. As can you see, that's really simple. And thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.